What's up, guys? James Scott here, Navy Fellas Realty Group. Listen, first off, I want y'all be safe. Stay off the road. If you don't need to be on the road, get off the road. Get home. Stay warm. Take care of each other. I'm out here on the patio before it's too cold. Before I get locked up in the house. Listen, I wanted to come to y'all and do a public service announcement. We got new changes in our industry, real estate. Yeah, more changes. So real quick, y'all know Texas is its own country. We got our own rules. So this is a Texas Senate Bill 1968. What does that mean for you? It means now, on top of the things that we have already implemented about commissions, everything is always negotiable, always has been, but now it's just more known. Texas has added another bill for us to follow in compliance with this other lawsuit. So what does it say? So Texas Senate Bill 1968 now says that when you're going into an open house, expect to see some paperwork. What does that mean? So the first thing you're going to see, the agent, whoever's hosting the open house, is probably going to give you a IABS. That's what we call it, Information About Brokerage Services form. This form in no way ties you to us. It's just information. It tells you who that agent is, what their license number is, who their brokerage is, and who to call if they make you mad. Y'all like that one. You'll sign that one, huh? You need to sign that form. All right, so that one really doesn't do anything for you. It doesn't bind you. It's fine. Now, you can go in and see the house. We have another form, says like a unrepresented form, meaning that you don't want representation. But Texas Bennett Bill, let me read a little bit of this stuff. It says requires all real estate agents to explicitly state that the brokerage fee is negotiable. We done told y'all that 1,000 times. Eliminated subagency. It talks about they have to identify their brokerage. And then, okay, if you want to see a house, before we can show anything, there has to be something in writing in place. And that's now including open houses. So the IBS, you're going to get presented. Here's the deal. After the IBS, you can do a non-representation form, which says, hey, I don't want representation, I just want to see the house. But what that form does, it also prohibits you from asking specific questions and real estate questions. Once you start asking for advice, details, things like that, not about the house, but like specifically, hey, what's a good price range, things like that. When you start going past general questions, you're going to get another piece of paper put in your face. So I'm just preparing you for it. We don't even know how we're going to implement this. As my team, as a company, we don't know. So this is new for us as well as you as customers. So I wanted to put this out there. That way you can give us some grace. Let us figure this out. So don't be cussing us out. Don't be talking bad about my little industry. I know we got some bad apples. I ain't one of them, but y'all know that. Anyway, so now you can't say that you didn't know. Because if you watch my video, now you know. Be prepared to sign something. So don't act like, oh, I ain't never had to sign nothing before. Well, now you got to. As of January 1st, 2026, new rules. We got to follow them. So there you go. Man, y'all be safe out here. Stay warm. Blessings to you. I see you on the other side.